In this video, we will see how to create your own AWS account. The process is simple. Let us see how it can be done. Open your web browser. Open the website aws.amazon.com. Create your free account now. It will ask you for the few details. Enter your email address. In my case, I am giving my email address. Password. Remember, minimum 8 characters. Out of those, three of them must be any of the following. In my case, I'm just going to give my own password. Account name. Click on continue. It is asking for the professional or personal. It is my completely personal account, so just want to give like personal. You need to enter your phone number here. Country, I'm from India. Address, state, postal code 500055. Click create account and continue. It's asking for the your debit card and credit card details. It is really essential to enter your details. So I'm just giving my card details now. We need to verify your phone number. So in my case, I'm just giving my phone number. Security check. So 8M3685. Send SMS. Verify code. Your identity has been verified successfully. Now click on continue. It will ask you for the three plans: basic plan, developer plan, and business plan. In my case, I'm using the free plan only. That's done. Now you're supposed to click on sign into the console. It will ask you for the sign in details. Just supposed to enter the same email address that you given. Enter your password. Click on sign in. It will redirect you to the AWS management console. Right, your account is ready. All of your reasons. So if I wanted to launch EC2 instance, I just need to click on EC2. So everything is ready, I think. No, your service sign up is almost complete. Right, it may take some time for enabling your account, so please be patient for some time. Right, just going to my email address. After a few minutes of time, you'll get your email confirmation. Welcome to Amazon AWS. I got my welcome email address from the Amazon AWS. Now there is another email. So AWS account is ready. Get started now. So it took me less than 10 minutes. Right, your account is now ready. Let's go and do refresh and let us see what will happen now. Just going for EC2 again. Right, your services are ready. That's it, guys. Thank you.